Hello. Now is a part 2 FAQ. Let's continue the question. Let's go. How to order the online promotion? Okay. Flowdepot has the official web store with the address flowdepot2u.com and the free download mobile apps from the Google Play Store and Apple Store. You can browse through the promo banners and select your preferred type flooring and enter your entire square feet to get the total required quantity and price after discount. For your information, all the flooring products that we uploaded to these two platforms come with the discount from 50% to 70% off. So the next question, when is the online promotion ends? Okay, we do have many kinds of online promotion available in our official web store and also the mobile apps. Each of the promotion campaign are referring to the selected stocks with the limited quantity, and different promotion come with different time frame. So if let's say you confirm the material you wanted, you are advised to quickly check out to secure your promotion price and the preferred flooring design with the quantity that you wanted. Your online promotion is only referred to flooring. What about skirting, profile and other necessary items? Okay, our online platform includes all the flooring materials, include the fitting accessories, skirting profile, glue adhesive, underlayments and many others. You can check it from the menu bar in our mobile app and also the official web store. So the following questions. How to measure my area and know how much should I purchase? Okay, you can have the measurement tape and measure the area that you plan to install in the unit of feet for the width and also length in order for you to get the entire square feet. Key in the square feet sizes into our mobile app's product details calculator. It will auto calculate how many cartons that you needed and price after discount. Okay, for today's FAQ is up to here, and I believe you have learned something and get some idea about the flooring. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.